Just to show everyone what happens when a USB cable goes wrong. And this part actually is not working, this part of the cable. Just to show you this cable, this part, it is not working, and see there's no power coming. So if I just disconnect it and reconnect back, see what happens. It just blinks. So if you see here, it's everything is blinking, but nothing is working. Now it is off. So if I connect this to my STM board, just keeps on blinking. Now just to disconnect it and remove the faulty cable, see what happens. So this now working fine. So this program is running. So if I take out and connect this to, see, 2 USB, things are working fine. So the problem is with this extension cable, USB extension cable, now this life is over and it's not working anymore. So most of the problem comes in microcontroller. If I just consider the area around microcontroller, then most of the issue will be related to jumper connections, wiring, cable connect, nothing big. So just look for the issues. If board has suddenly stopped working, display is missing, something is wrong, then most of the time it's only soldering may be looking good, but it may not work because there is somewhere something is missing. And same thing happens to this jumper wire. The quality is not good, they get hardened over a time. And the USB cable, I don't know what happens actually, suddenly they stopped working and you keep on looking for somewhere else. And so best thing is to first change the cable. If your board is not working, change the cable instead of looking for a driver. So I hope that helps everyone. So just to show again, I'll take out, connect this faulty cable again and see what happens. See what happens, nothing is coming. So I hope it helps everyone. Thank you very much.